Sammy, what is happening here?
Thank you, sir.
Good boy.
Thank you, sir. You said you mean
Yeah. Sugar. Yeah, let me move your bro.
Bro, food. My bro, food, and a year ago.
Some of me move me, bro, for all kind.
Some bro from my memoir, and you better your channel. To know some Bermuda, okay.
Action.
Some men say that I'm for one show.
I tell for you one chance, man. And I forget you almost here.
Hey, you know mosquitoes.
Oh, what's that key, man? What do you trouble ski? Eh, man. Come on, say. Hey, now what's that disrespecting me and I said it?
My disrespect, sister, respect. Tina, then I will yes, sir.
Oh, you just what disrespecting me, come on, say.
Disrespect, as I say. Yako, disrespect. Oh, disrespect.
Action.
I didn't know where your son.
What was that disrespect?
I can't disrespect. Me, we need make up, papa. Yako.
Action.
I'm a friend of mine. I can't catch him. Hey,
Check. I'm to just what disrespecting me.
no, Miss Wonko.
Oh, perfect. The old castle in the bay, I'm on you, which I know I'm on the Camunia.
Hey, call the catcher. He said, on the key.
Check, on you know why. What?
Action.
Police for
Go school. Yeah, now me bon. We are now here then. Bon.
Any other bon? No, who said you are back,
Papa kuma si school na obi hu sa de. That's school we there.
Eti me ID card ati ukulu se wo mete me am vile ama wo what setena na.
No, yes, I will be fully. I'm fully. I'm sitting. What makes you say? What do you mean? What's the
Yeah, but school just school.
Ah,
I'm not about
eti me kwa na me go fia na.
Actually,
Next week, but some in the baby, next week, oh,
SU leader. Oh, baba.
SU leader. SP. The more you know, more entertainment.
You jam one of my son, your boys is side jam. You jam one of my son, your boys is jam. My sister, why are you here? See a boy. I'm crying more.